This is what our place looks like after the storm yesterday. Go over here. All our sweet corn is laying flat. Then we have this, which got pretty close to the house. And thank God it didn't hit the house. We have this tree over here on the left that's completely uprooted. And our driveway was completely blocked off, so Rich had to pull some out. And I have no idea how we're going to get this all cleaned up. Are you coming, Fifi? There. We got this little Yeah, come on. Over here, neighbors are driving by to check out our mess. It's our pine tree. Come on, Fifi, be careful. There's another one where the roots pretty much pulled out of the ground. For some reason our tire swings are still attached, so Richard thinks he's pretty tough now. Over here. Over here is where the boys have been finding nests of baby birds. They've been trying to save, so all my nephews and my son are proud mothers now. Where's all your baby birds at? In there? Oh. Oh. And over here, another tree's down. But most of our grove is taken out. If you look way back there, it's just all hanging. And in the grove. Okay, just wait. These trees. So your baby birds, what are you guys gonna do with them? You guys gotta go put them somewhere. They can't just sit in a bucket. They'll die for sure. Down here, on this line. You guys gotta put them in like the grass and stuff. This is a huge tree. It's just a big chunk of it came out. It was all the way over there. And then this other one fell beyond it. So, like I said, amazingly, none of the houses were damaged, or the shed. If you look across, you can see the neighbor's irrigator is on its side in the pivot. If you look up at their bins, you can see their bins are all damaged and dented in. I haven't really left the house yet today to find out what anybody else's stuff looks like. So